Pouring some hot water to clean the apples. Stay tuned for the intro.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe.
To make the caramel, here I'm adding 2 cups of brown sugar to my pot, 1.5 cup of heavy cream. And if you have made caramel before, you know it's simple but different. Here I'm adding 1 cup of light corn syrup. Now I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of salt. Now I will be adding 70 grams of unsalted butter. Turn the stove on medium-low and stir until everything is melted. Here I'm cleaning the apple. So after dipping the apple in the hot water, use paper towel or tablecloth to rub the apple vigorously. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I will be decorating the apples with some nuts and some sprinkles. Caramel smells so good. I'll be using toothpicks because this is what I have at hand. Now syrup is coming along nicely. Guys, I pressed recording while I was coating the apples in the nuts. I don't know what happened, why it wasn't recording, so obviously you missed out on that part, but it's very simple and easy to do. After you take the apples out of the caramel syrup, then you just sprinkle the nuts onto the apples. Okay, now I'll show you what to do with your leftover caramel syrup. So I'm pouring it out on my board here, and I'm going to make some little caramel nut candies, some little sweet treats. Yes, and the kids, they're gonna enjoy this. So watch the process, guys. It's very easy, simple to do. Okay, look at this. So here you have a caramel candy, and you can make them in any shape you want them. Thank you so much. Please remember to like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe and touch my post notification bell so you will be alerted on my next upload. Thanks again, and to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I welcome you all with a warm welcome. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Take care, guys, and I'll see you another time. Bye.